Most men are stuck in a lie. They think attraction is a math equation. Money plus muscles plus height equals success. But have you ever noticed that guy? The one who isn't the tallest or the richest, yet when he walks into a room, the energy shifts? Women don't just notice him, they're drawn to him like a magnet. It's not his face, it's his subconscious frequency. While most guys are out there chasing, high-value men are attracting through 7 specific, repeatable habits. Today, we're moving past the surface level. I'm going to show you the 7 habits that make you psychologically addictive, and why most men are doing the exact opposite. Habit number 1, strategic stillness. In a world of loud, reactive men, the calm man is king. Why? Because biologically, calmness signals competence. When you react slowly, when you don't jump at every notification or get flustered by a woman's test, you signal that you are the alpha of your own environment. Most guys think calm means boring. It's the opposite. It's about economy of motion. Scenario: if she cancels a date last minute, the average guy sends a paragraph of no worries, maybe next time. The calm man says, copy that, enjoy your night. That silence? That's where the addiction starts. She expects you to be bothered. When you aren't, she starts wondering why she couldn't move your needle. Habit 2, being hard to impress. There's a massive difference between being hard to get and hard to impress. Hard to get is a game. Hard to impress is a standard. Most beautiful women are used to men performing for them. They do a hair flip, and the guy falls over himself giving compliments. When you are the one man who sees her beauty but remains unfazed, you suddenly become the prize she needs to win. Action step. Instead of complimenting her looks, which she's heard 1,000 times, compliment her vibe or her wit, but keep it conditional. If she says something smart, don't say you're so genius. Say, I like how your brain works. Keep that up. Now she's the one seeking your validation. Habit 3, emotional grounding. This is what creates long-term emotional attachment. Women are naturally more fluid with their emotions. They experience storms. If she's stressed, angry, or chaotic, and you get sucked into that chaos, you've lost. The psychology. She needs to know that if the world is ending, you are the rock. If she's venting, don't try to fix it immediately and don't get annoyed. Just stay grounded. Your presence should feel like a safe harbor. Pro tip. When she's in a mood, look her in the eye, keep your voice deep and slow, and just say, I hear you. Come here. That level of groundedness is more attractive than any six-pack. Habit 4, authentic confidence. Fake confidence is acting like you're the man. Authentic confidence is knowing you're human. Women have a BS detector that is finely tuned. If you're trying too hard to be alpha, she smells the insecurity. High-value habit number 4 is owning your quirks. If you're a bit of a nerd or you have a weird hobby, don't hide it. Own it. When you are comfortable with your flaws, you become untouchable. It shows you don't need her or anyone else's permission to be yourself. That comfort level is incredibly contagious and, frankly, sexy. Habit 5, the mystery gap. In the age of oversharing on Instagram, mystery is a superpower. If you tell her your whole life story on the first date, you've read the whole book. Why would she come back for a second chapter? The pacing fix. You need to leave open loops. Don't tell her exactly what you're doing every hour of the day. If she asks, what are you up to? Don't give a grocery list. Say, building an empire. I'll tell you about it later. You want her to be lying in bed at night wondering about you. Curiosity is the most powerful hook in human psychology. Use it. Habit 6. Mission over muse. A man without a mission is a man with too much time. And a man with too much time is a man who chases. The most addictive habit you can develop is putting your purpose above your relationship. When she realizes she is a part of your world, but not the center of it, her respect for you skyrockets. You don't cancel your gym session or your business meeting because she texted. You move with direction. A man on a mission doesn't have time to be needy, and non-neediness is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Habit 7, the iron velvet. Finally, the iron velvet, the balance of strength and emotional intelligence. Be the man who can protect her from the world, but is soft enough to connect with her heart. Most guys are either too nice, the doormat, or too cold, the jerk. The high-value man is the protective leader. You lead the date, you make the decisions, you handle the hard stuff, but you listen when she speaks. Outro. These 7 habits aren't about tricking women. They are about becoming the type of man that women naturally want to be around. If you implement just 2 of these this week, you'll see the shift. But there's a catch. These habits only work if you know how to read the success signs. If you want to know if she's actually feeling your new energy, watch this video next on the 5 hidden signs she's addicted to you. Go be great.